Hi guys, today I am going to a store like last time when I went to Target when I was a little bit more so the chocolates. So we are going to get some eggs for dinner. I'm waiting for my dad. Ask the seller, but she's in the back room.
This day of Twitter, there's no way I'm trying that. There have been many announcers exposed with the mispronunciation. Monroe just passes his way right into the wing and got to the left-handed hook. That's what Monroe can do. You can't let him catch that ball in the paint. You've got to make him shoot mid-range jump shots. He's also a very good passer on the post. And that Princeton offense at Georgetown. Rose bunny hops his way into a floater. Now that's flashbacks to the Derrick Rose in Chicago when he was MVP. You see those moments, how much torque he puts on his body when he cuts and explodes like that to shoot that shot. 6 points, 4 assists in this opening quarter for Rose. Snell gives it up, 2-for-1 opportunity for Milwaukee. Monroe dumps it underneath, 5 to shoot. Televich will fall.
Okay. I was on good. No bad team. Guys, want to watch? It's getting close. Tuesday because I want to say Nike. Look like it. Stop hitting. No. Go. Come back. Cat.
Just do that? You can't be the only one trying to make sense of this. So grab your phone, open Facebook.
Each time I hit this,
And go live. Ask your friends if
I
that
hear the
actually
same
happened.
thing, but no one else.
Then debate how that's even possible. Alright, just remember, there's still
But
plenty
it's, the sound's kind of not that much loud, so you guys can Okay guys, see you in my dad's out of the bathroom.